time for the official closing ceremony.
Genau, wir fangen nur mit dieser offiziellen Zeremonie an.
We had such a wonderful week, and now we need some other wonderful persons here on stage.
Genau, ohne die es nicht möglich gewesen wäre.
Exactly. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage, Mr. Rollo Schreiner, President of the Organization Committee. Europe, welcome on stage, Jan Fritzen, President of EPF. And last but not least, welcome on stage, the Mayor of Schëffleng, Mr. Paul Weimarskirch.
I think you agree when I say that we have spent a marvelous week together in great friendship and solidarity, and I hope you have enjoyed it all. Once again, we have demonstrated that the Europe of the citizens really exists beside the Europe of economics, besides the Europe of finance, and so on. And we are all proud to be part of it. The EPF, the European People's Festival, once again has been a great success. And I would like to thank all the people who made this festival possible. First of all the people around me, my team of the organizing committee, the team of the committee of the Eurofestival Association, all the volunteers, our clubs, our partners, and last but not least, the municipality of Schëffleng for their material and their financial support. A great thank also to all the European delegations, Jan, which have come to Luxembourg this week. After 2 years of complete standstill due to the pandemic situation, it was great to have you here all and to continue the success story European People Festival. And keep in mind, we have enjoyed the whole week and there are no winners, there are no losers. We are all European friends. That's the main message. That's the main message in these difficult times. See you all next year in Poland. Dan ook een paar weer op Lutzenburg, just voor merci te zeggen, moet een wonderbaar Vorzusummenei vollbroet. Ich meine, durch dieses Festival nur 2003 und 2013 war ein riesiges Succès. Dank erst, mehr Versicht, ein flottes Programm aufzustellen. Und ich will auch speziell meine Leute unterstützen, das ganze Organisationskomitee, der SPL Eurofestival, allen Benevolen, die geholfen haben, alle Clip, die geholfen haben, alle unsere Partner, die geholfen haben, und für allem auch unserer Gemeinde, merci so für die materielle und die finanzielle Unterstützung, die wir gekriegt haben. Ohne all die wäre das alles nicht möglich gewesen, und dann hätten wir heute nicht stehen, aber so zufrieden, ob die letzte Woche zurückgucken. Wir haben eine flotte Woche verbracht und einmal mehr bewiesen, dass wir in Europa zusammenstehen, dass wir feiern können und dass wir europäisch Freunde sind und dass wir Europa von den Bürgern schon seit 30 Jahren, Jahr für Jahr weiterschreiben. Und die Geschichte soll ja weitergehen. Das ist eine Success Story und soll eine Success Story bleiben, das European People's Festival. Wir waren froh, für erst konnten dieses Jahr etwas Kleines zu bieten. Wir sind froh, auch dass River ist, auch, wir sind alle ein bisschen mit in irgendeiner Form. Aber wir freuen uns aber schon nächstes Jahr in Polen dabei zu sein, in normalen Konditionen, so wie das auch dieses Jahr der Fall war. Voilà, das gesagt, gibt kein Gewinner, gibt kein Verlierer, wir sind alle europäisch Freunde.
I still hope I have a little bit of voice left. There's not much, to be honest. First of all, thanks to you, the municipality, the organizations behind, the kind people here on the stage, and all these inhabitants in Schëffleng as well, to taking so good against through us. I don't know about all the other ones, but I think the most of us from the European family here will leave Schëffleng with a heart full of memories, good memories, joy, happiness, and love. It has been an excellent festival, and we are really glad to be back, and we are really glad that you hosted us. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear guests of honor, it's time to say goodbye. It's time to say thank you. And it's a great pleasure to be with you here today. I would like to express my heartfelt and deep thanks to all of you for this entertainment week and a wonderful, fantastic and incredible European People's Festival. A really friendly, lovely and cheerful festival. Thank you. We were very happy to pursue the idea that was born in Libremont, Belgium, and that has been carried now on for 30 years now. The festival Europe Goes Schëffleng showcases rich diversity and traditions, cultures and talent all over Europe. Europe Goes Schëffleng, a project to promote culture, but not only. It was finally a meeting for commitment, a meeting for solidarity and a symbol for peace and freedom. This was possible because the willingness to work, the willingness to celebrate, to play, to dance, to have fun together was your first priority. Thank you. Europe Goes Schëffleng is therefore also, I will repeat what I say, conference, it's also an appeal to everyone that never war can be a solution. And I quote 2 songs of the famous John Lennon. Imagine all the people living all today. All we are saying is give peace a chance. All we are doing is giving friendship a chance. This unifying power of the European People's Festival is stronger than the forces that want to divide. You give peace a chance. Thank you. Congratulations to you all for a beautiful festival, for excellent performance here on stage, during the sport activities, and all the culture shows. It was diversified, original, and exciting. There are therefore only winners, European friends. Dear guests, dear friends, great and deepest thanks and great to all of you, to the organization team, to the partners and friends of EPF, and above all to over 100 volunteers who were operating daily. They were, together with many others, responsible for a happy togetherness and a marvelous atmosphere in all the corners of Schëffleng. Thank you for 6 or 5 days of happiness and joy. Thank you for rocking Schëffleng, Luxembourg and Europe. This week was unique, special and unforgettable experience. One highlight followed the other until the last day. And the best will come yet.
And now, Lawrence, the big moment has come for the award ceremony.
Genau, ich meine, wir sind alle gut gespannt, für Preise können zu verdienen.
So, let's start.
Ja.
Europe, are you excited? Great, great, great.